Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question answer series. Our today's question is, what is the most effective non-destructive testing method for detecting internal defects in welded joints? So, which NDT is most effective for detecting internal defects in welded joint? This is a very straightforward question. The options are visual inspection, magnetic particle testing, ultrasonic testing, and liquid penetrant testing. So if you know the answer, I would request you to please write in the comment box. I'll give 30 seconds time. Okay, so hopefully you would have written the answer. See friends, the correct answer is ultrasonic test. Why? Because with visual inspection, you can detect only surface defects. In magnetic particle test, you can detect surface as well as subsurface, means near surface defects. And in liquid penetrant testing, again, you can detect surface defects only. So with ultrasonic testing, you can detect internal defects too. And there is one more NDT method, more popular NDT method, that is RT, radiographic test also. So with radiography test also you can detect internal defects. So here ultrasonic defect is given in the options, ultrasonic testing is given in the option. So UT is the correct answer. And friends, I would like to ask one more question from you. Can we detect surface defects from ultrasonic testing? This is a question I am asking. Can we detect surface defects from ultrasonic testing? Please write in the comment box. And to know the answer, you can watch my ultrasonic testing video lecture series. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, I would request you to please after subscribing my channel, please join also. Joining is very easy and very simple. You can join my channel and you can become a member of my channel. And second thing that I had asked you, that whether we can detect surface defect from ultrasonic test or not. The correct answer is no, we cannot detect surface defects. With ultrasonic testing, we can detect the internal defects, but for surface defects, again, either you will have to do DPT or MPI to complete checking of the weld joint. Means to complete scanning of the weld joint, first you have to do DPT or MPT, any of that, then you can carry out ultrasonic test. UT is only for internal defects, not for surface defects. Hope you have enjoyed and you like my videos. Please give your valuable feedback and suggestions. Thank you very much.